Hi, my name is Ben Peterson. Thank you for taking the time to watch my demo reel. Throughout the video, I have included commentary to clarify my involvement in each segment. I really appreciate the opportunity to apply for your company. I have a deep passion and love for audio and sound design, and I truly believe I would be a great fit with your team. First, I want to display my sound design talents in a band context. In the following music video, I crafted the bass synth sound using the ES1 in Logic and the percussion design and sound effects using mostly Isotope's Iris 2.
Let me wear your lipstick. Let me put on your skirt. Let me make your fragrance into perfume. Let me liberate my body and crawl beneath your skin. Let me be your sister, your little twin.
The second piece is an audiovisual installation that was commissioned to me at the Banff Center in Alberta, Canada. All the instruments heard in the video were recorded and mixed by me in the Banff Center studio. I recorded the main piano line and then had the penny harp, fiddle, and cello players improv over my lines. Here's a snippet from that piece. Next up is a trailer that I synced, mixed, and composed sounds for.
I already alarmed them. They did not heed my warning.
Excellent choice.
When I entered this house, I could sense something powerful.
I tried to warn you, but you wouldn't listen.
You see that lighthouse there?
Yeah.
300 years ago, that lighthouse was Chief Pontiac.
Here is an example of my Foley and sync work for film. All of the sounds in this scene were recorded, mixed, and synced by myself using an AKG 414 microphone, a Neve preamp, and a Lynx Aurora D to A converter. Finally, I wanted to include a few loopable atmospheric sound beds that I created inside of Logic and Ableton using Native Instruments SoftSynths and Omnisphere. For now, these are just in my Atmosphere library and have not been synced to any visual content. Thanks again for watching. I hope this video has shown you my range as an audio expert and my ability to perform and adapt to all audio needs. I truly appreciate the opportunity with your company, and I hope to speak to you soon.